In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track KPIs in Notion, a simple Notion tutorial for beginners. If you're new to Notion or just starting to explore its capabilities for managing your key performance indicators, you're in the right place. By the end of this guide, you'll be equipped with the foundational knowledge you need to effectively track your KPIs within Notion, helping you monitor your business's progress with ease. First off, let's start by creating a KPI database. A database in Notion is a powerful feature that allows you to organize and manage data efficiently. Begin by opening Notion and selecting a new page. Once your page is open, you'll see the option to add a database. For KPI tracking, a table database is often the most straightforward choice. Name your database something that indicates it's for KPIs, like business KPIs. This will be the central hub where all your data lives, so make sure it's neat and easy to navigate. With that database set up, it's time to add the actual metrics you want to track. These might include metrics such as revenue, growth, and retention. Each of these can be added as individual columns. Simply click on the Add a Column header and input the name of your metric. Now, each new row you add to your table will allow you to input figures for these metrics, such as daily, weekly, or monthly data, depending on how often you update your KPIs. Once you have your metrics in place, consider how you want to visualize this data. Notion offers several views to help you interpret the information clearly. You might find chart views particularly helpful if you prefer a visual representation of trends over time. To do this, you can integrate tools like Notion's own linked databases or third-party applications that allow chart embeds. Alternatively, for a more straightforward approach, you can stick with the table view to manually track changes and take notes directly in the database. Now, for KPI tracking to be truly effective, it's essential to update your database regularly. Make it a habit to set aside time to input updated figures, analyze results, and note any changes. Whether it's at the start of the week or the first of the month, consistent updates ensure that your data reflects the most current performance. This regular maintenance will allow you to identify patterns, understand what's working or not, and make informed decisions for your business strategy. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to track KPIs in Notion. By setting up your KPI database, adding relevant metrics, utilizing the best database views, and keeping your information up to date, you'll be able to monitor your business performance effortlessly. Notion's flexibility allows you to start simple and scale as needed, making it ideal even as your needs evolve.